Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. It's shop tour time. I'm gonna take a little break today, have a cold one. If you want, get a cold one for yourself. Let's do a shop tour. I got a lot of cool cars in here I want to show you. And we have 3 valves, we have GT350s, F100 Coyote swaps. There's a 6.2 liter like F350 in there getting some headers. And 18 GT, we got this GT500 right here. I'm gonna do a video on this car, so I'm not gonna tell you a lot about it, but it's a 14 GT500 running stock boost. It's running Detroit rocker camshafts. This is the type of car we build right here. And the video on this, you're gonna see what kind of power it makes, but it's a really sick setup. So, you know, cold air intake, throttle body, and headers, and of course, it's got some cutouts on it that sound awesome. But let's go inside right here, see what we have going on. We're gonna walk in our dyno cell, just a quick lap around the shop, and I'm gonna show you the high mile Cody Mustang. We've got the blower on it, so we're gonna check that out. Follow me right now. Of course, I have Doug with me today. So this is sweet 3 valve California special right here. It's got a 326 in it, and this is running the YSI Vortex. So when you watch all the videos on Brenspeed TV, you see, you know, all types of superchargers, and that's what we do here. So this setup is awesome. It's converted over to blow through, and it's gonna make a lot of power. So right now on 93 octane, and I will be doing a video on this car, 93 octane, about 13 pounds of boost. It's an automatic. It's about 600 rural horsepower. I think it's actually a little bit more than that. And then what we're doing now, I've been working on, is I took the 93 octane out and put in race fuel, and then we're gonna turn it up. So it's gonna be right around between 17 and 20 PSI. I haven't quite decided yet. Just been doing some drivability on it. So I'm working on the dyno. It's not finished yet, but when I get it finished, I'll do a video on that. This is gonna come out really good. It's gonna be really, really fast. We do a lot of 3 valves in here, but what you're gonna see is we do a lot of Coyotes as well. So let's walk into the shop here. So this right here, this is kind of a funny story. We just delivered or had picked up a new Raptor. We did a bunch of mods too. I did a video on that. And when he picked it up, he dropped off his work truck. So it's a 16 F350, and we're gonna do basically headers, cold air intake, and tune. Just something to make it a little louder, more fun to drive. And this is what they look like here. These are the stainless works. Really nice, high quality headers. I like them a lot. We do use a lot of Cooks as well, but these work really, really good also. And of course, made in the USA, so that's awesome. That's just a work truck right there, but now let's get to the actually cool stuff over here. GT350, just wrapping up a stage 2 Whipple kit on this. On almost all these cars, we do billet oil pump gears, cylinder head cooling kit, Cook's headers, radiator. Of course, this is getting all of that. What I like about this is that, man, look at the size of this inlet. I mean, no wonder these things make great power. They all make, you know, anywhere between 720, 780 real horsepower, in that range. And I tell you what, we do a lot of these, and it's a sick setup. I mean, I love it a lot, and we're gonna actually see a GT350R here in a second. We got our 18 GT right here with a Whipple on it. Check this out. This car is basically finished. We have one more thing we have to finish on it, and then this will get delivered. But it's a stage 2 kit, so you get the big throttle body and of course the supercharger. And I have videos on the channel. If you look around, and you'll see on this kit right here, gives you a lot more details. I just kind of want to show you what we have going on in here today. This is awesome. Out of all the vehicles in here today, minus the F100s, I like this a lot. GT350R. Just finished putting on the Whipple. And again, another sick setup. Heated the oil pump gears, Cook's headers, cooling mods, so you get radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit. It's gonna be an awesome car. I like them a lot. What I really like is when people build these cars and they go out and race them. And that's pretty much my favorite thing about them. Check this out over here. You're gonna love this. So this is an F100, 1972, fully custom. I mean, this isn't just like a Coyote swap. This is a 100% custom built truck right here. Twin turbo. It's running our 5-liter Webster engine. And you have to look at this. This is so sick. And there's not anything on this truck pretty much that's original. It's just amazing how awesome this thing is right here. So this is looking right around 1,000 horsepower through the twin turbo and that Coyote. And it's been going to a lot of shows already this year. It's been winning a ton of awards. And it's an automatic. It's just absolutely doesn't look anything like it did originally. I don't think there's anything on this thing, hardly, this factory. Right here we have another F100 getting Coyote swap. So this is more, okay, the one I just showed you is more of like a show vehicle. This is more of like your daily driver. So check this out. This one just got started. So what we're doing on this F100 right here is basically stripping it down, and we're fitting the Coyote. So we're doing a Gen 2 Coyote in it. We are doing an automatic transmission. We're putting a Whipple on this also. So when this is done, it'll be about 800 horsepower. Right now what we're doing is kind of getting everything fitted, pull it back out. I mean, it's got a lot of work ahead of it. Obviously, it's completely torn down. I mean, this is getting refinished, everything from front all the way to back, you know, fuel system, of course, drivetrain, suspension, and this is gonna be a sick truck, and then we'll ship this back to Texas. It is gonna be awesome. This is actually what I like because it's something that you can drive and you won't be completely freaked out if you get a little rock chip or something on it. So this is really, really awesome. And the inside's all original. We'll have videos out on this. So I'm gonna go show you the high mile Coyote. I got that sitting outside. But before we do, we should peek, Doug, let's look at the interior. Walk over and look at the interior of this F100, because this thing is just custom. I mean, I just can't believe how cool this truck turned out. Get in there, hopefully the camera can see it okay. Take a look at that. That is absolutely tricked out. Came out so good. Let's walk out here right now and see what we got going on. So it looks like the guys are loading some cars up, heading today to Pennsylvania for an NMRA race. We go to a lot of the NMRA races to test our packages. So there's a couple cars in there, getting ready to head out there. But here it is, the high mile Coyote. Check it out. Supercharger is installed. It's just about ready to start. I mean, this thing's always gets pushed on the back burner because we can't really work on this until other cars are finished. So this has been sitting here for a while, but we did the old V7 JTB race Vortec on it, and I'm so pumped to get this thing running. It's going to start out as E85 and kind of a low boost level. It still has a stock engine in it, and then I'm going to turn it up a little bit, the stock engine, just kind of see how everything plays out. But I do have plans in the future on this car for putting a built engine in there. And again, we'll get some videos back out soon on the high mile Coyote. I just got to get it finished, and this time of year it's pretty difficult. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching the shop tour. Hopefully you drank a beer. I talked the whole time. Mine's still full, but that's it. Thanks again.